Hi student, I am Pranali teacher and today we are going to learn about the electricity. Fourth chapter, Science 1, the effect of electric current. So exactly what is electricity here? Electricity is a flow of current or flow of electron. This flow of current is studied by electric circuit. So see this. This is a diagram of electric circuit. Electric circuit is a continuous path of electric current with their component like ammeter, voltmeter, resistors and key, battery, etc. So this black line is a copper wire with their component ammeter, voltmeter, resistors, key and battery. So this is a whole diagram of electric circuit. And also in that diagram we show the arrows. The arrow shows the direction of a electric current. So with this diagram we can study the flow of current, that is electricity. Next point is heating effect of electric current. In that topic we learn about Joule's law, the derivation of Joule's law, this one, formula of Joule's law. See, power is equal to energy upon time, VQ upon T. Energy is equal to VQ upon T. V is voltage, Q is charge and T is time. Then P is equal to VI. See, V is write down as it is and Q upon T, charge upon time, is your current. So this Q upon T is replaced by I. So P is equal to VI. H is equal to PT. H is heat energy is equal to PT. P means power into time. P is VI. See here, P, value of P is VI here into T, that is VIT. But according to the Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. In 9th standard, you have to already done that Ohm's law. So V is equal to IR, voltage into current into resistance. So H is equal to, see here, VIT. So instead of V, you have to write down here IR. IR into IT as it is. So the formula is I square RT. H is equal to I square RT. Current square into resistance into time. Unit of electric power is watt and in short it is write down as a W. So this is a whole derivation for a Joule's law formula of heat. Then next one is reason. Tungsten wire is used in electric bulb. Why tungsten wire is used in electric bulb? First point, equipment like boiler, cooker, bulb work on heating effect of electric current. See, this bulb is work on heating effect of electric current. Second point, in these equipments, electrical conductors with higher resistivity are used. High resistivity is a phenomenon by which you can avoid the excess current, you can avoid the extra current. Third point, melting point of tungsten is very high, that is 3400 degrees Celsius. So it rapidly heated and emits the light and heat energy, and that's why tungsten wire is used in electrical bulb. Next reason, rather than joule, kilowatt per hour unit is used to measure the electricity. First point, unit of electric power, watt, is so small, hence 1000 watt or 1 kilowatt is used as a unit to measure the electric power. See here, the unit of power, that is watt, is so small and that's why it is not used in a commercial level or in industries. Second point, if kilowatt hour power is used for 1 hour, it will be means that 1 kilowatt into 1 hour, that is 1 kilowatt is how much? 1000 watt. 1 hour is equal to 3600 second. So if you multiply this, you get the answer 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 watt into second, that is 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. Watt into second is joule. Hence 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule, and that's why instead of joule we used here kilowatt per hour unit to measure the electricity. So these are two reasons which are asked in exam for 2 marks. Then next one is short circuit and its ill effects. What is a short circuit? How it is occurs? So in home electrical connection there are 3 types of wires are there, that is live wire, neutral wire and earth wire. In our domestic connection 3 wires are there, that is live wire, neutral wire and earth wire. So the live wire and the neutral wire have the high potential difference, that is voltage. The voltage is very high in between these 2 wire, that is 220 volt. See, live and neutral wire have high potential difference 220 volt, and earth wire is connected to earth, as the name earth wire, it is connected to earth. Third point, if plastic coating of live and neutral wire goes away, they both comes in contact with each other. Plastic coating means you already know that the electrical wire coated with a plastic or rubber. So if somewhat reason they goes away, then these 2 wires are comes in contact with each other and large current flows through it and produce heat. If any inflammable material, that is wood and cloth, exit around it, it catches the fire readily. Inflammable means it easily catches the fire. So if there is any inflammable material, then it catches the fire readily. So how you have to prevent this short circuit? So prevention is, first one, you have to use fused wire. To prevent the short circuit, fused wire is used with low melting point because it melts as soon as high current flow and avoid the mishaps. Fused wire you already done in 9th standard. Fused wire is a special type of wire with low melting point, and if excess current is passing through it, it melts immediately and stop the current and avoid the mishaps. So this is a diagram of fused wire. There are different types of fuse we have to use for domestical level, but this one is a common fuse which one we have to use in a domestical circuit. Then next one is MCB. MCB, see, this is a diagram of MCBs. Miniature circuit breaker. This also compulsory used in our circuit board. What is the function of this MCB? When current in a circuit increases suddenly, the switch open and current the stop. So this MCB is also used to prevent the accidents or mishaps, overloading, which are related to the electricity. So MCB, what is the function? When current in a circuit increases suddenly, the switch is open and current stop. Next one is right hand thumb rule. Thumb shows direction of current and curled finger shows the direction of magnetic lines of force. Suppose this is your conductor and you have to put the conductor in your right hand like this. Then this thumb shows the direction of current, and the curled fingers like this, curled fingers shows the direction of magnetic lines of force, that is magnetic field. So what is the right hand thumb rule? Thumb shows direction of current and curled finger shows the direction of magnetic lines of force. So this is your right hand thumb rule. Then next one is solenoid. Solenoid is nothing but a spring-like structure. See here in the diagram, spring-like structure is a solenoid. So definition is, when a copper wire, see this is your copper wire, with a resistive coating is a wound means wrapped or covered in a chain of a loop, then it is known as solenoid. See like this spring-like structure of a coil is known as solenoid. Second point, properties of magnetic field of solenoid similar to the bar magnet. Bar magnet is already know that a flat magnet with N and S pole. So the property of this solenoid and bar magnets are similar. And the third point is magnetic lines of force inside the solenoid. See here, these lines, these arrows are shown here. These are nothing but the lines. They are magnetic lines of force or a magnetic field which are passing through S to N. That is S pole, south pole to north pole. And these are parallel to each other. What is the meaning of that? Parallel to each other means their intensity or their capacity is uniform everywhere. See here, look at in the diagram. See, this is the curved lines, and this curved lines is also the magnetic lines of force. They are also the curved lines. These are also the magnetic lines of force. This solenoid is completed with a circuit with a battery and key. So this is the whole structure or diagram of solenoid. So what is a solenoid exactly? It is a spring-like wire, that is a copper wire with a resistive coating, is a wound or a cover in a chain of a loop, then it is a solenoid. And these are a magnetic lines of force which are parallel to each other. That means their intensity or capacity is uniform everywhere. So in this topic we learn first point what is the electric circuit, then Joule's law, their derivation, 2 reasons, then short circuit, their ill effects, then next one their prevention, MCB, what is the MCB, their function, right hand thumb rule, solenoid and their structure. Thank you.